In this tutorial, you will learn how to create custom color swatches inside of Photoshop. We will extract the colors from the photo and then secondly we will create it manually. I will also show you how to save the swatches and then import it for use in Photoshop. Having said that, let's get started. If you don't see the swatches panel, go to Window and then click on Swatches to append it. You can use any photo of your choice, but if you want to download and follow along with this one, I have placed the link inside the description. To extract colors from the photo, go to Image, Mode and then choose Indexed Colors. Change the palette to Local Perceptual. Type in the number of color you want to get from the photo. Change Dither option to None and click on OK to confirm it. Go back to Image, Mode and then Color Table. As you can see, Photoshop has generated the colors automatically according to the number I entered. Let's move on to how you can actually save and import these swatches. Click on Save. Name the file and confirm it. Confirm it. Now let's load it in. Click on that icon and choose Create a new swatch group. Name the group and confirm it. Click on that icon and choose Import Swatches from the list. Locate the swatch file. Change file type to Color Table ACT, select the file and click on Load. Open the group and you have the colors in the swatches pane. To create the color swatches manually, open the foreground color and use the eyedropper tool to choose the color, then confirm it. Click on the Add New Swatch icon to create the color from the foreground. That's it. If this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, leave a like and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss a thing.